Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. So we're going out today. Where are we going? We're going to IKEA. Yay, Willow. Look at her dress. Oh, pretty dress from Auntie Anna. Yes. She's wearing a very pretty dress from Auntie Anna. Are you gonna look at Mom, Baba? Here, look at her little fashion. Little fashion. And then supposed to have a and this one here. Matching. But it's a bit cold. Isn't it, Baba? It's a bit cold today. So she cannot wear it. She have to wear leggings. Here's my pretty girl. Say hi, everybody. Lovely to meet you all. My name is Willow. My name is Willow girl. Willow, Willow, Willow. There we go. We are heading to IKEA now. I'm just gonna put lipstick. Iced coffee by Elizabeth Arden, number 22. So we're heading to IKEA now. I'll show you the view, guys. Wow, look at that beautiful view. So here's IKEA. It's hard to see, but that blue thing there. There's a big sign there. There we go. In the third. So that's Bannings in there. So this is Majura Park, near airport. There's Cusco there, IKEA, Bannings, warehouse, has everything there. So we just turn here.
Mommy, that.
Hey? Big W, that's right. Wow, so pretty view. With the clouds. Okay, go. We're already here. So yes, we're already here at the IKEA, guys. At the IKEA. So I put lipstick on.
See the close stuff coming out here now.
Ah, yeah. So yeah, this is the lipstick. Oh, it's my ano siya, simmer. It's a bit hard to see.
Here we go.
But that nice siya. Parang natural lang siya. Iced coffee number 22, Elizabeth Arden. This is not a sponsored video. Still waiting for sponsor. Yay! Yes, we are here now. Yeah, we can park here now. Parents with
How
pram.
good is that?
Yeah, so we park here, guys. Nakita niyo?
Nice and white.
Parents, this one here, parents with pram na sign. So kasi meron kaming little baba, so that means we can park here. Nasaan na yung ano? So yun, ano tawag dito, maghanap kami ng maliit na cabinet lang ba. If we cannot find it here, punta kami sa doon across the road sa Bannings. So hopefully makakita kami ng ano, affordable na parang maliit na cabinet na pantry na magustuhan namin that will fit in our place. Kasi meron, gimeasure din naman namin how big yung width at saka yung length. So yeah. At saka ano, first time ng aming baby Willow dito sa sa IKEA. So yeah, we will sana ay hindi busy, and then the little girl still asleep. So anong tawag dito? Let's go, guys, inside. Here's Dada. We just park in here because this is for parents with pram. See? Come here, Papa. Dad's getting the little baby girl. There she is. Sleepy girl. So pretty. Oh, is it too bright, Papa girl? Buyag. Discover her. Hindi namin mahanap yung ano. Ipit, ito na lang yung inipit ko. Ipit sa buhok. Okay, let's go na. Hold my hand, Baba. Wow, look at the salmon fillet, fillet. IKEA day. Yeah, that's cheap. $1.50 for that thing. Hi, Blake.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Okay, Mom.
Where are we going?
Okay.
Where are we going?
Stop.
Shop. Ang ganda ng araw today, as in sunny siya.
Okay, Mom.
It's not as cold as well. Beautiful blue sky. Ayan, beautiful blue sky. Here's Blake, my little sidekick. Dada, keep going. Thank you. There we go. Hold my hand, Baba. Oh, look at the teddy bear. It's pretty.
Storage can.
Oh, I want it.
Wow, look at all your stuff there.
I want it.
You want it? You need to ask Santa. Okay, let's go, baby. Look in the bit, Baba. Let's go now.
Oh, I buy it.
Yeah, we'll buy it. We'll ask Santa. Huh?
I got it.
We'll ask Santa. Ay, this is a nice one, the daughter's sofa.
A little one.
I want a coffee. Oh, wow. Goodness. Here, oh. It is, that's like ours. Pull her thing, Dad. Pull her dress. She had it already. Blake, come here, Baba. Yeah, that's a nice bedroom, Blake. Where that? Oh, look at this, Blake. That's cute, Blake. Have a look at it. I'll park the thing. Wow. How does it feel? This one here. Little. You like that one? You can spin around and you can hide. Can't you? Blake is gone. Try that one. Oh, is it comfy? It's a nice foam. See her though. See her? There's that's $50, Dad. The white one. Hello. Bye. Okay, let's go. Cutie. Yeah, we just have at home. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Baba. Big Lego. You're at that to hold. That's cute, Blake. I want. Yeah, 35. Oh,
that's right. That's storage.
we should ask the blanket thing. Huh? Hold on, Sir. We'll have a look at you. Nice, you know, for the baby thing. Look, Dad. Oh, wow.
10 times cheaper than
Cheaper
ours.
than ours. That's a nice one, yeah. Much open. Even this one, the door. It's not folded. Yep, we're going. See this one, the door, nice one. Sit up. Where we go?
You need to register to go.
You right? You got it? You want me to do it, Dad? Hi. Say hi. Ay, wow, look at the moose that though. Looks nice. Oh, what you doing? Lots of smoothie. $2.50. So that this a going $2.50 chocolate.
Waiting to go the burger. Get the burger. Salad, small chips, and a jelly cup. Oh, you get a jelly cup. That's pretty good.
I will look at the lamb, Dad. That's not too bad. Braised lamb shank. 50.
I'll get the Swedish meatballs.
Mag-breakfast kami dito. Lunch pala, lunch. Sa IKEA. Yeah, that one. Hold it, Baba.
Good. Chips. Salad? Is that salad? Is that risotto?
Garlic bread.
Garlic breads. Swedish meatballs. There. That's it. I'm waiting for our coffee.
We didn't get the cabinet. Kasi akala namin doon pick upin sa aisle near the counter. Pero doon pala sa... Where do you get it, the cabinet? You need to order online sa cabinet. At least, may idea na kami, ha? For her Auntie Anna. We're home! Wow, your socks about how much fit your babe. Alright. Peekaboo.